had some tricks up her sleeve, and she took my heart and disappeared. She went up that mountain just like I feared. Come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake for me one more time. Won't you come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake right by my side.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Steve-O here. We are out in the Wheatbelt again, finally. It's been a while. I've given Trav a ring, Big Trav, and I said, hey mate, I need a campfire. So the mission this weekend, we got one night. We've punched it about 3.5 hours out of our hometown. We've headed out the Wheatbelt way to Traying, and we've contacted Shire out there, and they said we can have a campfire. And that is what the mission is, to get a campfire. Our first for the year. Been hanging for one. As you all know, camping's not the same without a campfire, so that's the mission. We're out here, we're just making our way through. Trav wants to show me old homestead, mango wine homestead, which I'm pretty keen to see. And as you know, I like my history. So we'll show you around there when we pull in, and then we're making our way to Dowering Dam, I think, for the night. Hopefully we get the place to ourselves. It's a bit cloudy, there's a bit of rain around, but that's not going to stop us. I actually like the old rainy camping, adds a bit of atmosphere to it. Anyway, I'll let you know when we get to Mango Wine first, and then we'll head out to camp, set up camp, and I'll show you around camp. And we'll get this fire cracking. I believe I'm going to whip up a bit of a stew on the fire too, because I've been hanging for a bit of campfire food. You can't go past the stew, and I think Trav's going to make us some little dampers as well. And yeah, anyway, stay tuned. We'll get to camp, we'll get set up, we'll show you mango wine, all that. So sit back, grab a beer, and enjoy. Cheers, guys.
Walk, children, walk, children, walk, children, in the light. Plow, soldier, plow the field. Plow, soldier, plow the field. Walk, children, walk, children, walk, children, in the light. Run, sorrow, run and hide. Run, sorrow, run and hide. Walk, children, walk, children, walk, children, in the light. Fly, mountain, into the sea. Fly, mountain, into the sea.
Alright guys, we made it to Wheatbelt Dam. The dam's just over that way. We've tucked up here, made our little camp here, just tucked in the bushes, get away from the wind. The rain's gone away, the flies have come out, but it's a beautiful spot. We've got a big rocky outcrop over this way. We might go up there, sunset, and have a look. Yeah, got some coals going ready for our stew. This is what it's about. This is why we came here. We'll get the fire going soon, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, just in here, Trav's making up some little dampers for us. Look at that, look at the man in action. Yeah, we got the fire cranking over there. Finally a fire. We've been hanging, haven't we?
Oh, absolutely.
We have, and it feels good to sit in front of the fire.
Oh yeah. It's
lovely. It's actually getting a bit chilly tonight too, so it's well needed. Stew's just about done. It's cooking over there. I'll take you over and we'll have a look at it. We'll let Trav get them dampers done. There is a few black clouds. You can see that in the distance. It's actually, we've been lucky because we've got it on both sides of us. and it's kind of parted way and gone right around us, so it's quite nice. Let me get a light. Let's have a look. See how my stew's doing. Oh yeah, look at that. She's coming good. Alright, we'll probably sit down and get stuck into that. Get these dampers going, I'll show you how they turn out. Excuse the light. But how good's this? Out in the Wheatbelt. Again, it's one of my favourite places out of this Wheatbelt. There's so much history and just vast open land, and you got these little campsites tucked away. It's beautiful. Yeah, lovely. Even if it does rain, I don't care. I love a bit of rain in camp. Yeah, be good. Anyway, we'll get these dampers done and get this stew served up, and we'll chat to you then.
But so it's sort of like a dinner cake sort of thing. It's what I used to cook on the stations when we were in the stock camp when I was a young fella.
Alright guys, check out this. I'm going to zoom you in on these. These are the best looking little dampers I've ever seen. Look at them. Whoa. They're going to go bloody good with our stew, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
It's actually getting pretty fresh out here, so nice warm stew and a couple of dampers would be great. Alright guys, dinner's done. We're going to get stuck into this, sit around that campfire and enjoy a night.
Have a look at this.
Well, let's see. Trav's cut one open. Oh yeah.
Right.
That's going to go good. A bit of that in my belly. Alright. Like I said, we're going to have that, sit around the fire, and that'll probably be it for me tonight. I will see you in the morning, bright and early. Probably, hopefully, the weather's looking a bit better tomorrow, so I might be able to get the drone up a bit more. Mine was struggling today, but Trav managed to get his up. Anyway, sit back. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Had a brilliant sleep last night. It was great. Crashed out. Had a big day driving. Oh, so quiet out here last night. I forgot how quiet it is. It's brilliant. Anyway, we're waking up. A little bit of cloud around. The weather's supposed to be a bit better today. We had a lovely lightning show last night. It was like all around us. It was brilliant. Just sat there by the fire watching that. Pretty cool. We were pretty lucky. All the weather sort of split up and went either side of us. We didn't really cop. I think we got a little bit of rain, but that was it. Anyway, We are going to get a coffee in me, pack up, and I think I'll bring you with you on the trip back. I think there's a couple of spots we might check out on the way back through. We'll see how we go. Anyway, I need to get a coffee in me. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up here. We've made our way through. We're at the old Quanlin town site in front of the old church that still gets used today. Thanks to Trav for showing me all the little cool historical places as usual. Cheers mate.
No, that's all good.
Yeah, it was a great trip. We succeeded getting our campfire, having a cook up. Didn't get as much rain as we thought we would, but pretty cool lightning show last night. And
some freaky lights too.
And some freaky lights, yes. Yes, that was interesting. Unexplained. Anyway, yeah, we'll wrap this one up. So remember, get over, subscribe, leave a comment, all that jazz. We love it. Get in touch and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, get out there, eh?
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.